share a solution for you if you're running Mosko Moto panniers on your bike, the soft bags. I'm running the backcountry panniers on here, and I do have the auxiliary pockets on here. One thing that you can do is I'm going to provide the files here below. These are 3D printed plastic that you can mount to your auxiliary pouches. So effectively there's a shoulder nut that you're going to run from the inside of the auxiliary pouch out, and then you can drop on the fabric side in to protect it. This is just a rubber washer. It's actually a tank washer from a toilet, and then there's a bolt and it will nest right inside of the plastic. That'll drop in there, come out the other side. There's enough room inside of here so that will all nest in together. You can attach that, screw it on, and then line it up, and then after you're done lining it all up, put your favorite sticker on there, or you can do double-sided Velcro, stick your Velcro on there, put the other side of the Velcro on your favorite patch that you have, and you can stick it on there. I'm going to provide the files for, and these are padded the measurements a little bit. They're about 3.5 inches and 4.5 inches, both square and circle. And then I also have a rectangular one that's 3 inches high, 4 inches wide if you want to do like a flag type sticker on there. Providing it free of charge, not looking for any money on this. I had somebody put together the STL files. They're available for download for you. If you know somebody that can 3D print and you just need to make a run to Ace or your local hardware store, and I'll provide the details on the bolt and the nut size here and the washer, you too can have some beautiful display things for your bike.